In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recipe ebook with Canva. We'll go from picking a template to branding your pages and exporting a polished PDF you can share or print. Start by heading to Canva. In the search bar, type recipe book, ebook, or cookbook, then switch to the templates view so you're browsing ready-made layouts. Pick a design that fits your vibe: modern, rustic, minimal, or bold, and check for the small crown icon if you're on the free plan, since that marks pro templates. Click your favorite to open it in the editor. Let's set up your structure. Add a new page, then duplicate your main recipe layout so every recipe looks consistent. Consistency makes your ebook feel professional and easier to read. Design your cover with a clear title, a standout photo, and your name or brand. Keep the text large and high contrast so it's legible at a glance. If you plan to print later, avoid pushing text too close to the edges. Create your essential pages, a clean table of contents, a short introduction that sets the tone, and a simple call to action at the end, like inviting readers to follow your brand or visit your website. These pages help guide the reader and add polish. Now add your recipes. Double-click any text box to edit. Use a descriptive recipe title, then list ingredients with bullet points and write numbered, step-by-step instructions. Keep measurements consistent and use simple, active language. If your template includes placeholders for notes, prep time, or serving size, fill those in to make your ebook even more practical. Bring your recipes to life with visuals. Upload your own food photos or browse Canva's library, then drag and drop them into frames or directly onto the page. Crop, straighten, and adjust brightness so images look clean and appetizing. Aim for a cohesive look across pages by using similar lighting and editing. Time to brand and polish. Open the Design tab to update colors, fonts, and styles to match your brand. Choose one heading font and one body font for clarity, and stick to a simple color palette. Add icons, shapes, or illustrations to highlight sections or tips, but keep spacing generous to avoid clutter. Finally, add page numbers at the bottom of your recipe pages for easy navigation if you prefer. Start numbering after the cover and table of contents. When you're ready to export, click the Share button in the top right, choose Download, then select PDF Standard for a digital ebook or PDF Print for high-quality printing. If you plan to print, enable bleed and crop marks if your template uses full bleed images. Click Download to save your finished recipe ebook. Thanks for watching.